Today we're going to take these regular standard incandescent bulbs that are in these headlights and we're going to upgrade them to some LEDs. Stick around. Here we go. But I got my white gloves on. Hey, so what's up? It's Chris, Tiny Industrial, and I've got my RV here. We did a video recently on replacing these lenses, these headlights basically. These headlights came with regular light bulbs, in other words, incandescents. I like the LEDs, and I got myself a set of these, link in the description below. These are torch beam LED lighting LEDs that are supposedly, well, they're compatible with the 9007 size bulb, and that happens to be what's in here. So what we're gonna do is we're going to pull these lenses out one more time because that's how you get at the back of them. And then we're gonna swap these in. I'm gonna show you how easy that is to do. I've done this on numerous cars. Just happen to be doing it on my RV today. Let's get started, pop the hood, and we'll get these things out of there. All right, so this RV is based on a 2000, and I believe this is gonna be a 2006, although the RV is a 2007. It's a Ford E450 Econoline model. Once you pop the hood, you'll see that there's these two tabs right here. So you want to pull those tabs up. So get yourself a pair of small pliers. You push the tabs back and you pull them up. See what I did there? You push it back and pull up. And that releases the headlight, the whole box basically. There is another thing holding it in place down here in the corner, but you will find that as you gently rock this out, that will come out pretty easily. That looks like that. Let me change the camera angle here a little bit. Okie dokie. Now we're gonna disconnect this. So there's a clip back here. You kind of lift and pull. There we go. All right, so now we've disconnected that. Now, ring comes off. Bulb comes out. That's a regular sort of incandescent bulb. Nothing wrong with it per se. I just happen to like these LED bulbs a lot more. So what are we dealing with? We got these, like I said, torch beam. I don't know anything about these. Ooh, look at this. You get a pair of white gloves. Man, there's some fancy stuff going on here. I better put these on. I feel like I'm about to perform surgery. Look at that. Oh man, these are gonna get dirty. I'm gonna put them on the wrong way. How'd they know this was my size? Probably gloves because they don't want you touching the actual bulbs, which look like so. Ooh, look at that. Oh, nice. First thing to check to see if you got the right kind of bulb going on is always to see if you got the same kind of fitting and fixture. Looks good to me. Those look pretty much identical. This ring goes on like that. Actually, you know where it needs to go. Okay, we're sliding it onto the new bulb, and that's what's going to hold the new bulb in place. Oh, there we go. Oh, it just dropped in there real nice. Now it spins around. Okay, that's it. Look at that. That's lovely. Now we're going to introduce this bulb into here. There are some notches on this, so you want to make sure that you get it in there just right. There's a notch up top and then there's two on the bottom. So we're gonna go in like so. And if you're doing it right, you should be able to get this lock ring on. Ooh, look at that. That's in there, nice and solid. This is all we need to connect now. So we're gonna plug that in. Boom. That's on. And we'll gently reintroduce it back into this cavity here. All right. In it goes. That's it. Okay, that's in. Now, tabs back down. That's in. This one gave me trouble last time. Is it gonna do so again? Probably. Nope. That's it. That's in. Now I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. I'm not gonna film that though, because you've already seen how it's done, and then we'll see if it works. Okay, well, this other side took all of about like 2 minutes to do, and now I don't feel like I need these gloves anymore, but they feel kind of nice actually. All right, moment of truth. I'm gonna hit the light switch, see what happens. It might catch fire or blow up, but I don't think so. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, that's a whole different ball of wax right there. That looks good. Those suckers are nice and bright. I love that. All right, there you have it. Really easy thing to do. These lights aren't terribly expensive. I forget what I paid for them, but again, you'll see them down in the link. If this video's been helpful to you, please hit the like button. That helps me out a lot because it helps YouTube know that you enjoyed this content. Please check out my other content too. I have more RV stuff. I also build tiny houses. I have a tiny house. High beams work as well. I'm gonna keep making these videos and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, thanks.